In this video, I'm going to show you how you can DM on your PC or desktop device without using an app. So what you want to do, you want to go to Instagram.com and you want to click on the three little dots at the top right corner and you want to click on more tools, which you can find right there. And then you want to go into this drop down menu and you want to find developer tools. Click on that and then you'll see all of this code stuff right there, but you want to ignore that. And you want to find this icon right there where it looks like a phone is in front of a tablet. So click on that icon right there and then it will actually recreate a phone device. Now you want to click right there and then you can actually select a device. So you can go with the Galaxy S5 Pixel, you can choose an iPhone. So I'm just going to choose the iPhone X right there and I'm going to refresh my page. And there you go. So if you take a look at the top right corner, you can now see the DM icon. Click on that and then you can view DMs and you can send DMs as well. So as you can see right there, this works. Click on enter or click on send right there and you can DM on your PC or desktop, Chromebook, whatever, on your PC, desktop device. Now if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like and I'll see you next time.